Hi, I'm Dr. Alan Widener from MassageChairRelief.com, and today we're going to talk about the roller system and the roller mechanism of the Osaki OS7000 massage chair. Now, I'll just tell you, the rollers on the Osaki 7000 are the most intense that we've seen as far as the intensity of the massage goes. These rollers will work you over something fierce. If you're looking for a gentle massage, a soothing, gentle massage, this is probably not the chair for you. So I'll just warn you ahead of time. But we're going to show you how the roller mechanism works. And what we're going to do is we're going to lift up this pad up and out of the way. And by the way, when you buy this chair or most any chair, you can lift the back pad up and out of the way so that if you want a more intense massage, you can lift the pad out so it's just some linen between the rollers and your back. But you can see here the kneading on the rollers here in the low back, and you can see how intense that is. I mean, it kind of looks like two fists are in there digging on your back. It almost looks like there's some kind of a critter or somebody buried inside that inside the back of the chair working you. Now you can see it just rolling up and down your back. A roll is one feature of the roller mechanism. Then there's also kneading where it goes up and down and side to side like that. That's a kneading, that's a slow knead. And then you've got a tap or a compression, and that's what it's doing right now. And of course, sometimes it'll combine all of them together, the kneading and the tapping, and you get an even more intense massage. Or it'll increase the speed of the kneading or increase the speed of the tapping. But it's wonderful. It feels fantastic on your back. Every chair has a combination of these roller features in one way or another, some proprietary automatic setup, and so you'll get similar features on every chair, but this one is by far the most intense and a very, very effective roller massage. I've only got it on the low back right now, but you can adjust it to go to the mid back or the upper back, or if you have one of the automatic programs, it'll incorporate a program of a full spine roller massage. And again, here we can see the kneading again and all kinds of features like that. So, all right, so that is the roller mechanism of the Osaki OS7000 massage chair. Hopefully this will help you understand a little bit about the chair and about how the roller mechanism works on any chair. It's very similar in most chairs. But again, buyer beware. If you want a soft, gentle massage, this is not the chair for you. If you want a deep massage, intense massage, this chair is the best out there for intensity. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. I don't know if you realize this, but when you subscribe to the channel, you'll be notified of every new video that we put out. And we have a series for the Osaki 7000, and we do new massage chairs all the time. And so if you'd like to be notified of a new video out, just go ahead and subscribe. If you like what you saw here, you like anything on our website, MassageChairRelief.com, please like us on Facebook and share us with your Twitter and Facebook friends. We'd appreciate that a lot. Again, I'm Dr. Alan Widener from MassageChairRelief.com, and thank you so much for visiting with us today. We'll see you.